Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
Mirrorless cameras.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
My name is Jason Vong, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your Sony camera to your computer to be used as a webcam for live streaming. You will need a few items to get started: a camera with an HDMI output port with a tripod, a USB to HDMI capture card device, and a HDMI cable. So let's go ahead and dive into the specifics to ensure that you have all the right gear. Just about every Sony camera, including the Alpha and the RX series, have a micro HDMI output port. But just to be absolutely sure, I highly recommend looking up the camera model and finding out what size is the HDMI. It will be either full, mini, or micro. And believe it or not, there's a huge difference between a mini HDMI and a micro HDMI. I personally use the Alpha 7R Mark IV and the Alpha 7 Mark III, and both use a micro HDMI connection. Next up, ensure that you're buying a USB to HDMI capture card device and not simply a USB to HDMI adapter. The capture card device is what allows the feed of your camera to be sent to your PC or Mac. There are several good options out there, such as the Elgato Camlink 4K and the Aver Media Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus. Personally, I have the Elgato Camlink, which is incredibly compact and small, which helps when I want to live stream even when I'm out of town. Lastly, the HDMI cable. Now, just a quick heads up, if you're using a Mac with only Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, you will need to get a Thunderbolt 3 to USB 3 adapter in order for you to connect your capture card device. The capture card device will likely take a full-size HDMI, but in my case, I will need a full HDMI to micro HDMI cable for my A7R Mark IV and my Camlink. We'll list your capture card device as an option to be used. This includes Skype, Slack, Zoom to stream on Facebook Live and YouTube Live. It's what's known as a clean HDMI feed, and change from 4K to HD, where commonly known as, and to use this software to stream to Facebook, YouTube, or even Twitch Live, stream key from those platforms to OBS and start broadcast.
Hi, my name's Sam Newton, and I am a travel filmmaker and proud Canon USA ambassador. And today, I want to talk a little bit about the brand new Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Now, I've been shooting with the Canon EOS R6 for quite a while now, so naturally, I was very excited to hear about the announcement of this new camera. And recently, I got the privilege of taking this camera with me to an island chain in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean to shoot a short film. And today, I want to talk a little bit about why this camera is perfect for what I do as a travel filmmaker and why it might be the right camera for you.
As a filmmaker who is constantly on the move, I need a camera I can trust to deliver in a multitude of environments. One that can keep up with my fast-paced run-and-gun style of shooting, and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II does just that. We had just about everything thrown at us on this shoot, and we were able to take this camera through its paces. And I was absolutely blown away by how incredible the footage looked right out of camera. And I want to talk about the 5 things that make this camera perfect for me as a travel filmmaker.
Day 1.
Shot no matter what. My second reason is the 24.2 megapixel full produces an image, and I can shoot 4K movie. Third, since I'm always running gun, the dual pixels, I will never miss a shot. Fourth, adding the in-body stabilization with up. And lastly, the versatility of this camera is on 6K video out of an external monitor, while still having a capable hybrid camera that can also.
So I hope this video gave you a little bit of an insight on my experience using this incredibly powerful camera. And overall, I would highly recommend you getting your hands on the brand new Canon EOS R6 Mark II.